What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do a review on my 2003 Yamaha TCR 125. It's a little.
Says in, I can't walk. I have to get shoes on.
Okay, go get shoes on then.
Wait, you carry it.
No, you can just bring it. You keep holding it at me. Let's go. Ow. Yamaha 2003 TTR 125 LE. Yes, it is an LE because it says electric. It has an electric start on here. But we did not set that up yet.
No, hold on.
I just have a kickstart. We're not going to start it up yet, but here we go. No choke, and it's almost out of gas, so it might not start. So that is sadness. We redid about everything. We got new grips on here. We got a new handlebar. We got a new foam thingy, and then we got we had to get a new gas tank because the gas tank we had to keep welding it, you know. And then look at that suspension. It's bending because I've been jumping this thing, you know. And then take a look at the tires right quick. Them is Max's right here, and then take a look at the back tires. Hey, turn around, man. Come over here. You got them back tires, Max's, and then. These have about 5 gears, and it's pretty fast. Go about max speed about 55 miles an hour, about 50. Yeah, that's my number right there, 23. I do not do racing, but I'd like to do racing if it's not broken, because point it at the thing, man. It's not broken because I crash a lot.
But the drawings.
Yeah, the drawings is pretty sick, you know. All right. Here we go. I'm gonna start this thing. I'm gonna do a little lap. Mason's gonna try to follow me around. First kick, buddy, that's Yamaha for you. It's in neutral because I'm pretty good at that, you know.
Just saying, this is not clickbait. This is
not
true.
clickbait. Chicken.
Dun, dun, dun. Yes, sir, buddy. This is not clickbait. Oh my God. Yum. You scared the heck out of that chicken.
Alright.
The camera.
Yeah, that's a Yamaha TTR 125 LE, and
They kind of didn't see half of it.
First kick, just
They
like
kind of didn't see the half of it because I was facing on the chicken.
Yeah, I know. Dumb chickens. Stupid dumb chickens. Poop everywhere, swear to God.
Yeah, like I stepped and pooped this morning.
Alright, I will see you guys. Wait, no, make sure to subscribe to Monster Mace and Sodelstein. And make sure the notifications on, like the video if you want. Gang, And subscribe to
Also,
Sodelstein and Monster Mace.
if you ever
And
get a chance to see if comments are open, just tell me. If I ever get a chance to put on comments, you guys can say your YouTuber name.
And we will do a shout out.
Shout out to that person who has subscribed.
Okay, guys, I will see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.